Hey friends, today we're talking about writing expressions. Write phrases as algebraic expressions is pretty easy. All we need to do is first think about what operations the words are telling us to do. So the words describe the situation. We only want to worry about the important words. A variable is going to be our unknown quantity. So we use an x or an n or something to show that. So once we come up with the operation with the variable, then we translate it into an algebraic expression. An expression does not have an equal sign. Okay, so in this one, we're writing each phrase into an algebraic expression. $8 more than Ryan earned. So we know we have $8 and more than what Ryan has. Okay, so what does that look like? Well, our words, $8 more than Ryan earned. Then let's let D represent the dollars that Ryan earned, because we don't know how much he had. But we know we're going to have 8 more. So in order to represent that, we say more means addition. So we're going to put a plus sign after the D, and we're going to add 8. So this shows $8 more than what Ryan has. Okay, so let's look at another one. $10 less than the original price. Okay, so we've got the words, and let's use P for the original price. So I've got the original price, and I want 10 less. So I'm going to take 10 away from the original to get the discounted price. So P minus 10. All right, you're going to try these now. I want you to use that word bank that I gave you and write an expression to represent each situation. Remember, I want you to write this down first. So I should see 12 less than the original price, P, in your notebook. Same thing for each of these. And I'll be back in just a second to show you what I did. Okay, the first step is to say 12 less. And then the original price is P. So it's P, and you are taking 12 away by subtracting because it's 12 less. 4, and you are times, that's multiplication, as many books, B. So B times 4. We can also write this the algebraic way, which is 4B. So if you had B times 4 or 4 times B, then I want you to make sure you write it like this with no dot in between and no gap. So this is like I have 4 of some unknown. 9 more batches of cookies. So 9 more, and it's C. So C plus 9. Okay, let's look at some word ones. These are real world applications, okay? This is something I do all the time. So KP went to the store to buy boxes of cake mix that cost, that each cost $1.25. It shouldn't say each again. All right, write an expression to show how much it would cost to buy C boxes of cake mix. So we know how much each cake mix costs, but we don't know how many I'm buying. So these cost $1.25 each, and I have C amount of cake mixes. So if I take $1.25 times, let's say 7, that would give me the price. So it's $1.25 times the C boxes of cake mix. You try this one, and I'll be back in just a second to show you what I did. Okay, so you want to buy new folders for each class. If each folder cost 35 cents, you're going to write an expression to show how much it would cost to buy F amount of folders. So it's 35 cents per folder. And remember, you don't need a dot in between anymore because this is called a coefficient and a variable. So when we have the coefficient next to the variable, it means you're multiplying. And that's all I have for you today. And I will see you next time.